Thanks for tuning into our YouTube channel. Today we'd like to show you how to use the multi-lift in the B-pillar position with a quick mount system to get into the side door of a minivan. This is shown on the driver's side, but of course it can work on driver's and passenger side. A lot of times you have folks who have spasticity in the legs, or whose legs are fused at a straight angle, and this is how you get around that limitation when getting a person into a relatively tight space, which is the back door of a minivan. So if you notice here, the legs are out pretty straight at all times. Now for super tall people, there may be some limitations. Okay, so you see we're bringing the person up, much higher and over the seat. Down just enough to get the head cleared. You can see that the legs are still relatively straight the entire time. And you're actually putting the feet, during the process, the feet are actually going to go in that direction and go underneath. Next you remove the sling, remove the lift. Now depending on the model of the vehicle, you may have a specialized adapter here, and you probably won't be able to stow this in the doorway while traveling, as you might be able to with a regular cargo bay door adapter, but at least it is a way to get a person who has straight legs or relatively straight legs into a minivan in the mid position. Thanks for watching our video. You can check us out at, you can like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. Our YouTube channel is youtube.com/accessun. Twitter.com, we're at accessun. Our website is www.accessunlimited.com for contacting us, or pick up the phone and give us a call, 607-669-4822. Thanks so much for watching our video, and we appreciate all the input from our customers on how to solve particular problems like this one.